Good morning, guys. I'm gonna be quick with this idea, but I just want to explain one thing I just noticed now. Okay, I want to make sure that you all have the I don't know have enough and correct knowledge about this. So yesterday we talked about uh, the Bitcoin is looking bullish because the weekly should close above that 25K. That's great. That's awesome. And it did happen. That's bullish. That's very good. Still, the volume is not the biggest. It's acceptable, but we would like to see that one boom, 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 boom going all the way up. That's a weekly. Okay. On daily, mm, it's fine. You're not going to expect a lot from the break because the break is never one day, it can be on multiple days. Let me go to the 4 hourly. The 4 hourly, you can see here that doesn't look good. That high, high, and high, and you can see it even more uh, on the MACD. There's a divergence, guy. I'm sorry, but there's a bearish divergence on the 4 hourly. There's a bearish divergence on the 4 hourly. That means that there need to be a correction. There need to be a correction. The correction shouldn't be that big. But I don't foresee if I see a correction, I will feel good. That means it's a great way to enter again, and that means it's making sense because we're in an Elliott wave. We're doing an Elliott wave. That's the first wave, right? This is the first impulse wave. I need to see a correction here, at least, before I go for the third, which will actually be pretty big. If not, yeah, like much bigger than that. But if I pull the Fibonacci and just consider this is all one, I want to see a retracement around the 0.76 acceptable, zero point 0.6 acceptable. So a retracement back to 26.6 is a good sign, guys, and it makes sense. And I want to see that retracement before March 22nd, which is the big news. Also, it might happen once the Fed starts the report. Price might have some volatility, so you're gonna see the price going all the way down, right? Then up, okay? Because there're gonna be a lot of open orders, a lot of pending orders. There's gonna be so much volatility. Why? Because a lot of people interested in all type of markets are waiting for that news at 2 p.m. So again, uh, if you're willing to buy Bitcoin, I don't think this is a good time. My recommendation is to wait. Is to wait. Is to wait. The best time to enter the market will be uh, maybe just before the Fed interest rate decision or during the Fed rate, because they're gonna be some. I mean, like after the Fed rate decision by maybe like 30 minutes, 1 hour. There's gonna be some high volatility. So another thing I want to stress, if you see the price going a little down, that's totally fine because there's already a bearish divergence and it's acceptable. It's predicted because we're in an Elliott wave. And this is the first wave. You need a correction. The correction can be uh, here, here, and that's it, here or here. It can definitely go down, but I don't think it will happen in our case because we already broke the 25. Makes sense. If it goes all the way 26.7, that's a good sign. If it goes to 26.7, I honestly will actually be more confident to put more money in Bitcoin. Okay, that would be a great sign. If I look into astrology today, what's happening? The moon in Pisces. If I go push a little further, sun will go into Aries. That no, 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 no. Sun will go into Aries around tonight. That's a shift in energy, 100%. Uh, that shift in energy will be even more prevalent tomorrow in the noon. So about 30 hours from now, something like that. So, and that's a good shift in energy. A lot of things can happen tomorrow, by the way. I'm hearing news about Trump, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, tomorrow will be a vicious day. Interesting. So maybe the volatility actually will happen before the Fed tomorrow. Anyhow, today is supposed we should be seeing a little retracement. Maybe not, but we need to see it. We need to see some retracement to know that we are in a good trend. Okay. Have a great day, guys.